Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today we will learn how to use the count and count blank function in Microsoft Excel. All these three functions are used for counting the number of cells. And the counting method is different for each. Here I have a blank table. First of all, use these functions here. Press equals, then type count. Open a parentheses. Select the table range. Close parentheses and press enter. In this cell, press equals. Type count A, open parentheses, select table range, close parentheses and press enter. In this cell, press equals. Same way, here use count blank function. Here, count and counter function has 0 results. Count blank has result of 45. Count blank function counts the number of empty cells in a range. Let's put some numbers in the table. Here you see, both count and counter function is giving same result. You know. What is the difference between them? Let's write a text value in a cell. Did you notice the result? Now count is giving result of 3 and count A is giving result of 4. So, the difference is, count function counts the cells that has numeric values only. Counter counts cells that has any value. It can be number, text, symbol or anything. So this is all about these three functions in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. We will again meet on next tutorial.